response of series RLC circuit as related to S-plane location of roots. Response of series RLC circuit as related to S-plane location of roots. RLC series circuit with switch bit applying KVL to the circuit. మనం చేసిన మొత్తం ఎక్కడ దాకా వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చింది, రూట్స్ దాకా వస్తాయి. మనకి రూట్స్ దాకా ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్ 9.40 దాకా మనం ఆల్రెడీ చేసినవన్నీ. లెట్ ఆర్సీ బి ది క్రిటికల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎట్ విచ్ రేడియల్ టర్మ్ the radial term is to be vanished. Therefore RC is equal to 2 into root of C by L. Q is equal to zeta be the damping ratio given by the ratio of actual resistance to the critical resistance. Zeta is equal to R by RC, that is equal to R by 2 into root of L by C. Zeta is equal to R by 2 into root of C by L. We know that omega n is equal to under damped natural angular frequency. Omega n is equal to 1 by root LC. 2 zeta omega n is equal to 2 into R by 2 into root of C by L into 1 by root C. 1 by root LC, that is equal to L value root C value cancel, 2 cancel అంటే R by L. అంటే ఇటు సైడ్ ఉండ ఏమైంది మనకి ఒమేగా ఎన్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by LC. ఒమేగా ఎన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రూట్ LC. నెక్స్ట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ 2 zeta omega n for R by L and omega n square for 1 by LC in the CB equation. ఆ ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ మనకి 9.37 ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. ఏమైంది d స్క్వేర్ I by dt స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 zeta omega n into di by dt ప్లస్ omega n స్క్వేర్ into I is equal to 0. d square I by dt square plus 2 zeta omega n into di by dt plus omega n square into I is equal to 0. The above equation represents the standard form of second order homogeneous linear differential equation. The above equation and the starting second equation as the same equation, only that two new constant zeta and omega n. The used to RLC series RLC, the new constant render convention the interpretation of the geometry of the root locations in the S plane. The quality factor Q of the RLC series circuit is given as Q is equal to omega n L by R. Therefore the equation can be written as d square I by dt square plus omega n by 2 into di by dt plus omega n square into I is equal to 0. Q is equal to 1 by 2 zeta S square plus 2 zeta omega n to S plus omega n square is equal to 0, and therefore the roots are S1 comma S2 is equal to minus zeta omega n plus or minus omega n into square root of zeta square minus 1. The general solution is I of t is equal to k1 into e power minus t minus of omega n plus omega n square root of zeta square minus 1 into t plus k2 into e power minus 1 zeta omega n minus omega n into zeta square minus 1. As the R varies from 0 to infinity, the damping ratio zeta varies from 0 to infinity. The nature of roots S1 comma S2 of the equations undergo different changes. This variance can be drawn as the locus on A complex explain zeta is equal to, here zeta is equal to less than 1 underdamped system. The nature of the roots are complex and conjugative. Where zeta is equal to 1 critically damped system, the nature of roots real and equal. Zeta less than అంటే real and imaginary and complex. Roots are complex లేదా conjugative. Equal to 0 roots are equal. Roots are real. Greater than అయితే real, less than అయితే imaginary, equal 0 అయితే రావునా equal. Case 1, let us consider the value of zeta is less than 1 and hence the location of roots s1, s2 in complex s-plane is shown in figure. Roots plotted in a complex s-plane. The real and imaginary parts of roots are minus zeta omega n and omega n square root of 1 minus zeta square. Like this we find out sigma square plus omega n is equal to zeta square into omega n square plus omega n square in bracket of 1 minus zeta square is equal to omega n square. Hence the above equation represents the circle, and so the locus of roots in the complex s-plane is the circle of radius omega n, which is as shown in figure. A zeta value from 0 to infinity, locus of roots is a circle. Locus of roots of the circle. Zeta value less than 1 andako imaginary, roots are imaginary or complex. Greater than andako roots are real. Equal to the roots are equal.